welcome back to my channel. And today finally I made this video. I created this look, this makeup look, as you guys wanted to see highlighted eyes and not lips, and you wanted a subtle thing, and not, you didn't choose the pole on the glam and extra thing. And I understand, because this Diwali is different, and I think this would be enough and this would suffice. Also, I wanted to tell you guys that I celebrate, like we celebrate as a family. Every year we celebrate Diwali. And as you guys know, I lost my father in July this year. So for 1 year, we won't be celebrating any festival. But obviously, I could create a makeup look for you guys to help you in any way. And if you like it and if you wear it on the big day, like the Diwali day, it would mean the world to me. So I try to do it for you guys, and I hope you like it. And yeah, it's just that I'm not gonna celebrate, like we are not gonna celebrate it, but I wish you all a very, very, very happy Diwali and all this festive season. I hope you have lots and lots of fun. And yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so this tutorial would be a very in detail tutorial, because I know so many of you girls, uh, you just want a basic and nice look. And as I posted a poll on my Instagram that what do you want to see for Diwali, is it extra or is it subtle, so the maximum votes went for subtle. And personally also, I believe that this year has not been very great to everybody, so all the functions, all the celebrations, all the festivities are, not going to be the same as they were last year. So I would just say that that is why I chose to, take this makeup look. So let's quickly jump into the video and start with our makeup prep. Now I'm gonna use my vitamin C face and body oil from Saint Botanica, which I absolutely love. 1, 2, 3, hold. So I let it like sit for 5 minutes, and that's what I do. I'm gonna do my brows very quickly off camera and come back, because it is a long procedure and you already know that I'm not good with brows. So I'll just finish it up and come, and I'm gonna let this soak in. I am back with the brows, and now quickly I'm gonna prime my face. I'm using the Benefit Professional Primer, and wow, it's a beautiful primer. It creates a blur. Hydration is extremely important, because before applying this oil, I applied aloe vera gel, I applied Cetaphil, and then I applied this oil, because I believe the base of your makeup should be really, the game of your base should be really strong for your makeup to hold on for properly. And hydrating your skin, prepping your skin before you start your makeup makes a lot of difference. It really does. I don't know if you guys can see my suit, but this is my mom's suit, and I just loved it. Like, so what are we gonna do today? It's like I was very, very confused about this reason. Everybody is gonna wear something else, some other color. So अगर मैं कोई particular color लेके करती, तो मतलब बहुत लोग relate नहीं कर सकते थे उस चीज़ से. So I thought about it and I went for, like, I chose a champagne and bronzy look that would go with everything, because not everybody is going to wear the same thing. So there's no point of me of making colorful eyes या grey से related या जो मैंने पहना उससे related. तो इसलिए I wanna be in that copper, champagne, that zone. I didn't choose golden or silver, just like that. I didn't feel like. I chose bronzer, like that copperish color and champagne color makeup. So it is all about that. And now, without my unnecessary blabbering, we're gonna jump into the video. I've already primed, I've already done my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna take, oh my god, it's a mess. Firstly, I'm gonna prime my lips. I'm gonna put a lip oil, and I always do it before I start doing my makeup, so that my lips are hydrated enough at the end of the process. Now I'm gonna take the Oddball Highlighter Shiny Brightening Liquid. What I'm gonna do is, I'll just take, because there's no powder right now on my face, so I'm literally gonna take it on the high points, and before even applying my base, I'm just giving my skin a glow. Phone ही गिर गया tripod से. I'm just tired of myself, honestly. Acha. So now we are going to conceal our eyes, and I think concealer is a game changer. It has to be my favorite, not favorite, but it has to be my go-to favorite product because इतने dark circles के साथ, like, I think concealer is a blessing. So as always, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal and I'm in the shade Pure Beige. इस आई पे तो मैं कितना ही कंसीलर लगा लूँ कभी पूरा नहीं हो सकता. Never. I need a brush. I'm taking my brush. I will slowly buff it. I will slowly buff it and not try to move it. जब आप कंसीलर लगाओ, just don't do this mistake कि आप ब्लेंडर लेके उसे पूरा मल रहे हो, cause उसका पर्पस खत्म हो जाएगा. It has to be जहाँ पे dark areas हैं. So you don't have to apply a concealer all over your face. Looks so much better. इंसान तो लग रही हूँ, एटलीस्ट मैं ज़ॉम्बी नहीं लग रही. भाई सोने को ना कभी फॉर ग्रांटेड मत लेना. मैं इतना ब्रैग करती थी अपने सोने के बारे में कि आई कैन स्लीप एनीवेयर, मेरे को कहीं भी नींद आ जाती है, एंड एवरीथिंग. आई टुक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड एंड नाउ इट्स जस्ट लाइक स्लीपिंग फॉर मी इज़ अ ब्लेसिंग. लाइक I can't help it. Yeah, so I would just take a clean brush and I'm going to take my Fit Me Loose powder in the shade Light and set my lid crease. Guys, it is extremely important to powder your eyes because otherwise आपका जो भी मतलब आई शेडो होगा that wouldn't stay for long. Like this makes it intact and in place. It wouldn't smudge. And I'm sure you all must be so bored and disgusted of my lenses that I was wearing. पूरा पैसा निचोड़ लिया मैंने उसका. Like I wore it in every video possible. अब वो तो गए, उसका वो expire हो गए. But Najma got me 3 different lenses and all the best you guys, because I know some of you don't like it, but you're gonna bear with this now for some time. क्या लगाऊं क्या नहीं लगाऊं, ऐसे मेरे को जमता नहीं है, ऐसे confusion नहीं जमता मेरे को. Let's start with the foundation. I am gonna take my recent love, that is the Makeup Revolution foundation stick, and I am in the shade F8. And I'll mix it a bit with my current favorite foundation, which you all know is the L'Oreal Infallible. I mean, hands down. Just mixing both of them for a very dewy and fresh look, also to give a little more coverage, because I think यार festivals ही होते हैं for, you know, इतने time से for at least 7-8 months nobody's getting ready, nobody's getting dolled up, dressed. So I think for you guys it's a great chance. Then एकदम full on glam करो, मैं तो बोल रही हूँ. And you know what? My mom has all of this Deepavali decoration things which are handmade, and I'm gonna show you in the end of the video. And हम हमेशा वो decorate करते थे every time दिवाली पर, and you know it was handmade and it is so cute. I'll just show you all the pieces she collected, and she was like, use this in your video. I tried fitting it up, but कोई जुगाड़ नहीं हो रहा था मुझसे, so I was like, I'll show you guys later after I finish doing my makeup. इतना coverage is alright. Like it's not like full coverage, but it's also not sheer. It's like somewhere in between. Now I'm gonna take my Maybelline. ये सब मेरे वही same products हैं. I'm gonna take my Maybelline Age Rewind Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer, and I'm in the shade medium. But yeah, this has to be my favorite concealer of all time. Like, it's my favorite. It does that magic, and how. I am really sorry about this fan का noise. Electricity has gone, so this will do drung drung, and मैं ऐसे तेज नहीं कर सकती because फिर audio खराब. Oh my god, guys, you gotta see this. R.I.P. bronzer. Electricity is back. कुछ गलत सा नहीं लग रहा है. My angle. Now we're gonna bake our face because that is important. I know a lot of people don't like to bake and everything. I love to do it. It genuinely brightens up and keep your under eye area जहाँ पे fine lines होती हैं, wrinkles होते हैं. It really helps you. आज हम लोग मिले हैं इस ब्रॉन्जर की श्रद्धांजलि के बारे में बात करने. ये काफ़ी बार टूट चुके थे और शीशा हो या दिल हो आखिर टूट तो जाता ही है. तो ये और नहीं सह पाए मेरा इन्हें इल ट्रीट करना. तो ये टूटते 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 इन्होंने गिव अप कर दिया और अब इसमें से जो चंद टुकड़े आखिरी हमारे पास हैं हम इसकी श्रद्धांजलि के लिए आज यही यूज़ करेंगे और फिर इसे बाय बाय कह देंगे. लेकिन उससे पहले हम आज contour करेंगे because it's been long girls. It's been really long that I did like a say proper orange तो नहीं है. Imagine, oh my god, orange corrector निकाल लिया. Orange में डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प लगने लगती. Taking it ऊपर and merging it with the hairline. Oh my god. Bronzer contouring. Oh my god, it looks so sexy. ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा blend करना पड़ता है. Not. I'm leaving. I think मैं मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल्स की जगह अब डिस्ट्रक्टिव वीडियोस बनाना शुरू करती हूँ. All about destruction. Now I'm gonna take the leaves powder and gonna clean up. Do you see this chiseled face which really doesn't look like this in person? Now I'll just bronze up my face फटाफट. Thank you बोलेंगे हमारा इतना साथ देने के लिए. Thank you so much bronzer. I loved you. I still do. But I'm sorry for hurting you so much that you became like this. But I promise you baby, this is the last time. Just give me one more chance. You didn't even give me another chance to make up for it. पूरा रुइन होके टूट गया. पूरा ही टूट गया. अब कर लो, अब फेंक लो मुझे. बिखर गया हूँ मैं. Now we'll let it sit and we'll come to the eyes. I'm gonna take a very basic ऐसे brown कोई shade. I'm gonna take a shade and उसके ऊपर I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty वाला champagne color. So I'm gonna use this shade here. This shade, I don't remember the name. This shade and put it all over my crease. Using this as a transition shade. And wow, beautiful. कि इससे better कुछ भी नहीं होगा because आपको you just have to take this. I'm taking this Swiss Beauty shimmer eyeshadow in the shade Champagne and I'm gonna put it all over my lid and blend it. I'm not just gonna keep it there like I usually do, but today is not the day. This would be so easy to create guys, trust me, you are gonna love it. Do you see that? Imagine, it is so easy. So friggin' easy. ट्राइपॉड गिर गया था गाइस, फोन भी, डील विद इट। काफ़ी ही गलतियों को छुपाने के चक्कर में शिमर काफ़ी हो गया है, बट आई वर्क ऑन दैट। उससे पहले आई एम गोना क्लीन दिस एरिया विद अ कंसीलर सो इट डजंट लुक ऑफ एट ऑल। माय गॉड, इट वाजंट रिकॉर्डिंग अगेन। व्हाट आई बेसिकली डिड वाज कि आखिरी स्टेप ये था इसके लिए कि मैंने अपना मेबेलिन जेल लाइनर लिया और बस मैंने एक आई लाइनर बनाया जिसमें स्मज करूँगी, तो आपको प्रिसाइज होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है इसके लिए। मैं पहले ब्राउन के साथ जा रही थी, बट आई थॉट कि इट्स दिवाली, यू नो, अब यू शुड गेट ऑल डॉल्ड अप एंड थोड़ा सा तो लाउड होना चाहिए। एंड आई एम बैक। Woo, that was a task. मतलब ब्लेंड करते रहो जब तक तुम्हारी आंखें बाहर ना आ जाएं हाथ में तुम्हारे, तो तुम फोड़ो अपनी आंखों को तब तक। यही ट्रिक है बस। अब हम वापस वो शैम्पेन शिमर लेंगे एंड थोड़ा सा से इनहांस करेंगे बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली ब्लैक ने अब सब कुछ ओवरपावर कर दिया है। दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव कम अप विद एंड now I'm taking my favorite color bar, just smoky kajal in the shade brown, and I'm gonna put it in my waterline. Let me just wear my falsies and come back. I am back with the eyelashes. I'm gonna put some cream. Hands are very dry right now. Okay. I know this is very basic, but that is the whole point here. So now it's time for blush, and I'm gonna take my favorite blush palette, which I have broken several times. Now because I'm wearing grey and I love the combination of grey and pink, it's like wow. So I'm gonna use a pink blush today. I should go for this light pink one. I don't know why people find it weird कि मैं nose पे blush लगाती हूँ, but I like it. Just do. Right now. Okay. So what is left? I'm gonna fix my makeup using this Swiss Beauty makeup fixer. I'm just gonna spritz it. Drenched. Now we are going for the highlighter, my favorite part. I'm taking the Flower Beauty, usual Flower Beauty golden one. What I love this golden. I mean, if you're not my type who is extra, way too extra, this highlighter is not for you because you can obviously see the difference. It's just super pigmented. Fan brush. Finally, we're gonna go for a lipstick, and as I said, मुझे इसके साथ pink लगाना था because I love grey and pink का combination. I'm gonna use the Smashbox lipstick in the shade Gulabe, and I just don't know, like pink nudes, they just attract me and how, and this is the first time I'm using it and I'm so excited. I remember while I was ordering it, I was so excited because this color, oh my god, what a pretty shade. I think this is a perfect shade for brown skin tone, genuinely. I'm not even kidding. Like, I really, really love it. I love how it looks, and I can imagine myself using this a lot. Like, I'm surely gonna buy the bigger size in this because this is giving me Meher vibes, and if you know that MAC Meher is my favorite lipstick. It's just the liquid lipstick version of that. That is what I feel. So yeah, I'll just be back.
I'm missing you. Come to me again. Come on, baby, let it go. Make me fight
that was my soft glam for Diwali, and I hope you guys have an amazing Diwali with your loved ones. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy, and yeah, I just pray and I just wish कि आप सबकी दिवाली बहुत अच्छी हो. And as I was telling you, मम्मा ने जो भी चीज़ें डेकोरेट मतलब जो भी हैंडमेड चीज़ें हैं, she wanted me to use it in the video, and I'm gonna show you something first. So she wanted me to put this, and I really tried putting it, but it didn't fit anywhere in the frame. And this is how it looks. That's all about it. If you guys liked this video, then let me know. And if you guys like my videos, then like my videos and subscribe to my channel and forward it to your friends, share it with everybody. Guys, I just want to say that I love each and every one of you. Something is missing. Something is missing. So this is the suit that I'm wearing. It's my mom's suit. I just want to show you guys. It's a very subtle suit. I just love these very delicate yet beautiful pieces. And yeah, I'll just come back on the tripod. Bindi missing thi. Like, Indian without bindi is not complete for me. So yeah. So basically, I wanted to thank each and every one of you who takes out time and who watch my videos, who encourage me, and it's just a very heartfelt thank you. And I just pray and all my duas your way that coming year turns out to be the best year of your lives. And I'm not just saying it for the sake of saying it. I mean it because we've had a lot this year and that's not what we deserve. So yeah, on this note, I would say goodbye to you. And I hope you liked my soft glam. And if you recreate this look on Diwali, please do tag me or send me a picture. I would love to see it. And yeah, that's all about it. I love you guys and thank you for everything.